Okay, so today we are going to unbox my Vixia HF R800 camcorder. I do have the memory chip for it. See if I can get a little more light on that. There we go. It's the little ones that go in your phone, so. But I'm unboxing this because I'm planning on using it today, and so therefore I gotta get it set up, and figured you guys might like to see it. Okay, so guessing this is the battery. Yep, intelligent ion battery. It's a little cube. Okay. And then we have the transfer cable. A power cord. So I can run it without the battery apparently. Ooh, a mini HDMI. This helps. I needed this for my my other Canon. That's cool. Sweet. I don't have to go hunting one down. But it's got, I don't know if you can see it. I tried doing a video with my other Canon, but it decided that it wasn't going to autofocus. So I cannot autofocus, which means I can't use that to do videos, which is fine. I was going to use it mostly as a regular camera anyway. But so a mini HDMI has, as you can see, if my camera will focus, a regular sized HDMI port. Okay. And then on the other end, once again, if my camera will focus, there is a smaller HDMI port. It kind of looks like a USB port, but it's an HDMI. So this is good to have. I'm glad it came with one. I did not expect that. And then, oh wow, this thing is tiny. Wow. Super tiny. I mean, look at this thing. It is super, super tiny. Like, seriously. And it does turn around. Sweet. So I can actually see myself when I'm recording now and not have to worry about it. Cool. Let's see what else. Is there anything else in here? It's empty. It's empty. This is like one box. Does it come out? Alright, so just a little protector box that was in there for it. I don't need that. Or that, or that, or that, or that. So, now let's see if we can figure out how to set this up. And again, as you can see, like I did with my other Canon, I'm not even going to touch that thing. This wonderful little manual. Actually, this one's fairly tiny compared to the other one. The other one was like that thick. But it was also in 3 languages. So, but this is the manual for it. I'm not even going to use it. I'm just going to plug it in and start playing with it. So, let's figure out how this slides on. Okay, so there's a little lever on the back right here. Okay, and then you just pull it down. Okay. I'm going to have to move so that you can see this. Oh, sorry if it gets a little shaky. Tripod's sitting on the corner of my bed. So, you have where the battery goes, right? Hold on. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, so this is where the battery goes. Okay. Now you can see up at the top, not really because the light's in a really bad spot. There we go. There are these little metal pins which line up with the little metal pins on the battery. But to get it on, you have to pull down the thing, line up the battery, and then slide up. And then it should latch into place. Okay? And then let's turn this on. Okay, so does it have power? It does not have any power at all. Wow. The other one came with, it had a half-charged battery. So let's do this. Okay. Do I have any always-ons? I have a metered power plug that that only works if my TV is on. So if my TV turns off, only half of my surge protector works. It's a vampire electronics saver thing. I don't know. PG&E gave it to us when they did the house upgrade. They do a here in Kern County. They do a weatherizing and energy efficiency upgrade to the houses that are older. So like if even if you're renting, you can get it done, and they replace things like they replace windows for energy efficient windows. They replace old refrigerators. If your refrigerator is more than 3 years old, they'll replace it with an energy efficient model. It'll be a cheap energy efficient model, but it'll be an energy efficient model. And they do it all for free. So it's pretty cool. It's something that PG&E started doing. I don't know. Let's see if I unplug that. That can plug that in there. And then where's it go? I don't know where it goes. See, this is the benefit of watching me figure this out for myself. Oh, hey, look. That, I found where the memory card goes. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. So it's on the back side, right here. And it is a funny looking cord. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on it. I don't know if you can, how well you can see it. It is a funny looking cord. So it's kind of obvious where it goes once you see what it looks like. Let me plug it in there till it clicks in. It clicks in. And then, let's see. Now it'll turn on. There we go. There we go. Okay, so initial setup. Well, there aren't really very many buttons on this thing. What is this? Start and stop. Okay, so there's the record and stop. Let's see. There's a mic. Wonder how strong the mic on it is. Play button, push to eject, where the card goes. Okay, so let's just push play. Start. Apparently I turned it off and then turned it back on. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so this one? No. How do we select? Are there more buttons that I'm just not seeing? Not what that does. Let's see what that does. Whoa. I don't know what that does. I think that it opens the lens. Okay. That's the lens cover. Okay. Oh, I'm about ready to start reading instructions now. Let's see. Is it a tap? Oh, it's a tap screen. But it's not letting... There we go. Okay. How do we want our date set? How well can you see that? You can see it pretty well. Okay, so let's go with this one. Month, day, year. Hit the play up in the corner. And it is March. What is today? Today is the 24th. I know. What kind of person am I? I don't know what day it is. This is what happens when you work night shift. Okay. And then it is 2018. And it is 9:30 in the morning. And we want it on AM. Okay. Play. Setup is complete. To change the settings, touch the home button on the screen to access the menus. Okay. Alright, so no memory card. Alright, well, we can solve that problem. Now, it said that it took mini SDs, but this doesn't look like a mini SD drive at all. That's a large SD. Are there 2 ports? No. That's fine. I can put it inside the thing in the jump clip. That's fine. Okay, so use without hurting it. Oh, where's my net? I need my knife. Oh. Yes, there are always knives in my room. Everywhere. There's usually at least one pretty sharp one within reaching distance. And this one is very, very sharp. I'm just trying not to slice myself in the process. Seriously? Really, guys? Why is this so complicated? Why? There we go. Okay, don't need that. We all know how to use these things. Okay. Well, I probably shouldn't be shaking it all over the place. Put that in there. Okay, and then put it in there. And then took a little bit of finagling to get it in there. Okay. Now there's a memory card. Okay, let's see. Auto. Let's open that. All right. Okay, so we have see how well it focuses. Get sound and focus in there. My hand is shaking all over the place. So when you guys see that video, it'll be super shaky, which I will add it. Let's see. Looks like it's all set to auto. And it focuses pretty fast if there's enough light. That's actually pretty cool. I like that so far. Like with the other one, I'll play around with it a little bit and then let you guys see it. Let's see if I turn this over. Focus it on my face. It's not bad. I think I can work with this. I gotta remember to look at the lens though. That's a big problem for me. I always want a viewfinder over here where I can see everything, and I need to be looking over here at this little itty bitty lens that I can barely even see. So I'm always kind of like looking over this way instead of actually looking that way. So not bad. I mean, it didn't run me much either. I'll put links to the product down in the description. I have officially rebooted my stop. Apparently when you close it, it shuts off. So I have officially rebooted my Amazon affiliate account. So you'll be noticing, I'm trying not to blind myself with that light, it's really bright. You'll be noticing a lot of Amazon links in my product reviews and any unboxings that I do where they're not for specific companies. I'm going to do the Dollar Shave Club one here in a minute with this, and then maybe play a little bit and upload these. I did also go through and set up more t-shirts in my Teespring store. Right now there are, I believe, 5 designs. One of the designs is there's a whole line of like autumn leaves, and it's like yoga pants and a bunch of other stuff, and that one is the only one that does not go to a charity. All of my shirts go to a certain charity. There's each shirt has a different charity, and it's 25% of the profits go to that charity. They were charities that meant something to me, so it actually, you know, benefits them. It's 25% of the profit, and then you know, of course, Teespring gets their cut because they're making the product for me. But I'm getting that all up and running. The reason the Fallen Leaves line doesn't have the charity section on it is because I couldn't find the button. I'm still kind of working with Teespring website, trying to figure out how it works. It's kind of a little tricky. I couldn't do it on my phone before. I only had one shirt, and it wasn't even like set up right. Like the picture was like off center, because I did it on my phone and I just couldn't set it up. So, but now I have my laptop and everything, so that's up and running, and I'm going to be adding more and more shirts on there. So go check them out. Actually, I think all of the designs right now on the back have my QR code for my channel, and they say Alexis Harrington on YouTube. So they are branded, but it's it's down below. It's the one that says Alexis Harrington Apparel. And then, like I said, I'm going to be adding more shirts to that. I also have there's a thing for Dollar Shave Club down in there to subscribe. First box for $1. There's a, I need to check and see when it expires. There's a coupon code for I think that one doesn't expire actually. There's a coupon code for $5 off a Loot Crate. So there's all kinds of nifty stuff down in my descriptions. You just kind of have to like read through them. But other than that, that's all I got for you today. Just a quick little unboxing of this camera, which turns on when you open it and off when you close it, apparently. That's entertaining. Finding out all these little things just holding the darn thing. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go for now. And as always, like, subscribe, share, comment. And you can follow me on social media, which is also all down below. Other than that, I hope you have a good day.